Right, this is the next video I promised that was going to be a build, and I'm working with these scale model scenery solid sided stillages. These are another really good kit and very cheap. This is what they turn out like: a little square stillage. Obviously, in the real world, these are built of steel. And these want painting and making to look real. But they're a fairly easy build. You start off, you get two cards inside, and on one card is all the bases and sides all laser cut ready, and all you do, they're just held in by one little pip or two little pips, and you just gently slice through them out the pop like that one. And that's one of the sides. I've already built a base up. Using the edges and what have you. And this on the other sheet is where all the ends are, all the edges. I'm going to cut quick one out and just show it you. I'm not going to glue everything up. I'm just going to quick cut one out and show you how they go together. Dead easy. Two little cuts with a knife. And that's what comes out. You see that? I'll bring it up a bit. And that's what I'll put my hand behind it, see if that helps. That gets glued onto that side I cut off. Right, you glue that onto that. Stick it on like that. Glue them together, and then that's ready to form part of that side. And when you've done that a few times, it comes out with this for you, and that's a nice little job. It really is. The glue I'm using is this stuff. Others are available, and I believe Rocket Card glue is extremely good for the job, and works well. But this stuff works really well, and I was giving it, so it's absolutely cost me nothing. Now I'm going to put a link up. If you're interested in getting some of these off Scale Model Scenery, I'm going to put a link on underneath the video. Now, when you buy something from Scale Model Scenery, you automatically get what they call loyalty points, and those points are like a discount point. They all add up, and you can use them to spend in the shop on something later on when you built enough points up. Now, I've been speaking to the company, and they've agreed that if I put a link up and anyone buys anything off that link using the link that I put, I will get a couple of extra loyalty points on my account for doing it. So not only are you going to get loyalty points yourself when you buy this, I'm going to get a couple as well, and that's a good do, because every bit will help us out, won't it? And I'll show you more stuff as it comes along. But if you go and have a look on the link, look around the website, and if there's any of you that want me to buy something next and show it and show how to build it, or actually build it, let me know, and that's the next thing I'll get and build. That's all it is for now. I'll put a link on. Thank you very much for your time. This is another super duper easy build from Scale Model Scenery. Proper stuff. Really nice. Bye for now, folks.